Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, The Employment Box. Friends, SIDAC has released its recruitment for various posts. Attractive salary is being offered, that is level 6 pay they are offering. Last date I would like to say is 1st of November 2021, and it is a permanent job wherein candidates having background from electronics, electrical, IT, computer, and internal candidates of SIDAC, then government employees, then ex-servicemen are also eligible for this recruitment. So one by one we'll be studying all the important points covered in this notification, and the only thing you have to do is stay connected with us till the end of the video. And if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe for latest job updates. So we are on the official website of SIDAC. I'll share the link of this website right in the description box. So let us see what is given. Advertisement number is given, and it was released on 2nd of October 2021. So and the registration also itself has started on 2nd of October and will be there till 1st of November. So the last date of application is 1st of November. Total 7 points are given in which the recruitment is being majorly focused, and number of posts are 9 in numbers. Name of post is technical assistant. 4 divisions are there. Very good level of pay is being offered, that is level 6, and place of position of every division is Noida only. So data center and informative service is having 5 number of position. Education and training is having 1 number of position. Embedded system is having 1 number of position, and HIBD and PM is having 2 number of positions. Now let's see what kind of details is given. So basically, reservation, bifurcation of total number of vacancies according to the category is given. For general, 4 positions are there. For SC 1, for ST 1, for OBC 2 positions are there, and for EWS 1 position is there. 1 vacancy is there for OHPWD category. Okay. Then educational qualification and experience, first class degree in computer science or electronics or IT or computer applications, and 3 years of experience in the relevant field is mandatory. Now talking about age, 35 years should be the maximum age as on the last date of application, that is 1st of November. Now job description is given, the 4 divisions which were mentioned in the notification, and the description, basically the profile is given. The division is being focused on. Okay. So if you want to apply for this position, just click on this button. Now let's get back to previous page and let's check out the general terms and conditions now. So how to apply is given, general guidelines is given over here, like before filling the application form you should check all the general terms and condition. Then should be eligible, whatever the eligibility criteria we discussed earlier should be fulfilled by candidate. Then candidates can click on apply button provided against on each position for which he or she wishes, and candidate can apply only for 1 position. He cannot apply for multiple positions at a time. Then he should scan their photograph in JPG format, and the format is given over here, not should be more than 400 KB. In case the candidate is belonging to category or a PWD category, he should upload his caste certificate. For OBC non-criminal is essential in PDF format, not more than 500 KB. Then government employees PSU can also apply for this post in advance and print the application form duly filled and signed, should be forwarded through proper channel to Joint Director HRD, and this at this address is given, and should also obtain no objection certificate as well. Okay. Then important dates are given which we discussed earlier. The online registration has been started on 2nd of October, then last date is 1st of November up to 1800 hours, it is 6 p.m. Then written test will be communicated directly by email only. Then general terms are given over here, go through it. I'll mention the website right in the description box. Then category, bifurcation of category, we already discussed. Relaxation is given for government employees, 5 years of relaxation is given. Then SIDAC internal candidate, 5 years of relaxation is given. Then applicants belonging to reserve category SC, ST, OBC or physically challenged or ex-servicemen, they would be eligible for the relaxation as per the government norms. I think for SC, ST candidates 5 years of relaxation is provided as per government norms, and for OBC it is 3 years. Then what will be the selection process? It will be a written test, objective basically, which will be comprising of 5 sections, namely logical, general, English, numerical ability and domain knowledge, and a total of 150 marks would be there. Logical would be comprising of 25 marks, general knowledge 25 marks, then English 25 marks, numerical ability 25 marks, domain knowledge 50 marks. So based on merit the selection would be there. And qualification we already discussed, experience, so 3 years of experience would be is mandatory in relevant field, and application fees would be 500, which would be non-refundable. And female candidates and candidates belonging to SC, ST, PWD, EWS category need not to pay any uh, fees for this, and important notes are given, just go through it. Okay, and that's all for today. Keep watching. I hope you have found the video useful, and if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe. Thank you.